Ang barberong nasa app, pwedeng book now or advanced scheduling. Cashless ang transactions through GCash, Maya, or credit card. Kauna-unahang app ito sa Pilipinas.
Barbero, episode what, G?
35.
Episode 35 kasama ang nag-iisang
Boss.
Dane Grospe.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap sa amin sa ganito klaseng kaagang podcast. This is actually the first time na sobrang agang podcast.
Yes.
Usually ba, no?
3.
3. Pero sabi ko naman kay JP on the way
It's a
here.
good experience.
I was like, yeah, man. Kasi mas clear yung isip natin. Wala pa tayong iniisip na problems. You know what I mean? The morning is one of the best.
Ako morning person kasi like,
Yeah.
I wake up super early.
Yeah.
Like what time, bro?
Before 5 a.m.
Wow.
5 a.m. club. Ngayon medyo mga 7, 8 a.m. Tumatanda. Medyo na-adjust.
Pag-iisipin mo, no? Kasi during our younger years, mga magulang natin, tanghali na.
Alas 7
Diba?
pa lang
Kaya pala-
tanghali na eh.
Kaya pala ngayon, ganun pala yung na-experience ng parents natin during the age.
Responsibilities, man.
Yeah. Alam mo, wake up sa'yo yung bills mo eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hindi
Sa
ka
oras na hindi ka gumalaw, walang pera.
Yep.
Yeah. Man. So, Kuya Dane, Brother Dane,
Yes.
congratulations.
Oh,
on the very-
yes.
Thank you.
Alam mo, tinitignan ko lang to sa sa YouTube, sa
Mm.
Facebook. Sabi ko, man, that's so nice there. Kaso ang hirap pumasok kasi talagang grills. Grills. You know what I'm saying? Grills.
Shop talaga to.
Budo siya.
I
But,
don't even come here anymore. Eh. Kasi kahit ako, bumibili ako sarili kong stocks eh.
yeah.
Legit
Yeah.
yun. Oh,
Yeah.
legit yun.
Actually, to think about that, actually, yun yung isang magandang business mentality, di ba? Is, hindi mo kukunin yung stocks mo kasi gusto mo lang.
Yeah.
You need to purchase it also to return.
Exactly.
Kasi-
Hindi ka lang ng discount sa sarili mong store.
yeah. Yeah.
Mga ilang percent discount yan pag sarili mo?
Pare, sobrang strict na to mga to.
Yeah.
Mga tao ko. So usually, bibigyan na lang ako less than 2,000, 1,000.
Man.
Oh.
So I still buy. Actually, bumibili pa rin naman ako sa ibang tao to build connections with other sellers as
Yes.
well. But at the same time, pag bumibili ako dito, yun, nakikipagbaratan din ako sa kanila. Kasi I can't just get it. Because
Yes.
I love it.
Yes. That means you have employees that's malaki yung malasakit sa'yo.
Well trained, yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
And mahal din yung negosyo mo.
Yeah.
And that's very important to get on the scale that he is on now. Is yung team niya rin na what brought him here also. And of course, the leader himself.
It took years.
How many
Yes.
years?
Siguro some of my employees have been with me for more than 2 years now.
Wow.
Mm.
Tapos yung mga bago ngayon, siguro some of them are 1 year and above.
Yes.
Already. So, ang ginawa ko sa kanila, I invested also when it comes to training, self-development, self-mastery.
Nice.
So, dumaan sila sa ganong klaseng
Wow.
training. All of them.
Nice.
Yes.
So, ako kasi now I can say that I could hire anyone I want.
Yes.
Kahit hindi nakapagtapos.
Yes.
Mm.
Kahit bata na high school student. Kaya
Yes.
ako mag-hire ngayon kasi meron na kaming training na may standard na kami.
That's very
So,
good.
it's the character that we really look
Yes.
at
And develop.
and develop.
Sobrang swerte naman ng mga
I know.
future employees na.
Because he's investing on their
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oo.
personalities.
Kaya siguro minamahal din ng sobra ng mga empleyado mo yung negosyo because you invest on them.
Yes. Oo.
Yes.
At sinabi ko talaga sa kanila yun. It's
Yes.
not hindi siya maliit na pera. We're talking about a big investment when it comes to training pa lang.
Oo.
Yes.
So yun yung ginagawa namin ngayon to develop a certain standard when it comes to our employees.
Very
Yes.
nice.
Ano bang mga requirements or yung kilatis mo para sa isang
Mismo.
nag-a-apply?
Empleyado.
Yes.
Oo.
Yung unang start pa lang pag walk-in nila.
Pag
Or,
walk-in, syempre una, number one, you have to love sneakers.
yes,
Kasi yun ang may negosyo, di ba? At least meron ka alam sa sapatos.
Yes.
That's number one. Number two is, tingnan mo muna yung background.
Yeah.
Syempre, di mo naman pwedeng kunin
Oo
basta-basta, di ba?
Mm.
Yeah.
Number three is open ka for self-development
Yes.
and training. Yun
Yes.
talaga yung pinaka-pangatlo. So,
That's true.
those three things. And number four, syempre, yung may respeto ka talaga.
Oo.
That's right.
Sa kapwa, sa trabaho mo, sa boss mo,
Mm.
Yes.
sa mga tao, sa mga customer. Yan.
Yes. What's one way for them to get fired? Outside from the obvious.
You know what, dude? There's so many things na nangyari na rin sa akin na talagang if you come to think of it na parang tangin na tinanggal mo na yan ba't nandiyan pa?
Yeah.
So meron pa rin akong pinapaligpas na gano'n in the past na syempre pag nanakaw. Meron na rin akong na-experience na pumasok dito, nagkuha ng investment, sinasabi na bumibili ng sapatos, tapos kino-consign sa akin, which is not true. Because I don't do that. Ang consignment ko talaga dapat approved by the admin, yung management talaga namin.
Yes.
Merong mga ganong klaseng tao talaga na kahit anong bait mo.
Oo, totoo yan.
Yes.
So, may mga ganon.
Yes.
So, may nakawan, inside job, yan.
Damn.
Bro. I mean,
Wow.
ang dami ko ng experience din na hanggang lumalaki yung negosyo, dumadami din talaga yung mga ganong klaseng mindset na mga pumapasok para may gawing, alam mo na yan.
Yes.
And for you to be challenged din siguro sa personality mo.
Yeah.
Paano ko magre-respond?
Paano
Yes.
mag-respond sa ganong klaseng scenario.
Yes.
Damn, that's hard.
Yeah. Think about it kasi hindi mo naman malalaman yun sa unang pasok ng tao or
Yes.
a couple of
Una,
days
mabait.
Lahat naman eh.
Parang mabait na tupa Tapos bilang magugulat ka, hundreds of thousands na pala yung nawawala sa akin.
Ay,
damn.
Ganun, man.
Damn.
Grabe.
How are you able to recover? Kasi syempre from
Trauma.
our field,
Mm.
kasi syempre 'di ba? I've gone through this also. Yung parang ibibigay mo ulit yung bagong tiwala dun sa bagong tao.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the price that we have to pay as
Yeah.
business owners.
True.
Yes.
Or you have no choice but to accept the fact na may nangyaring ganun.
Yes.
Mm.
And hindi mo na siya for you to magnify it or i-justify mo na parang, pare, nalugi ako, nalulungkot ako, mumukmuk muna ako. Hindi,
Yeah.
pare, you have to make a plan. The plan is, okay,
Mhm.
gawa tayo ng bagong paraan kung paano natin makarecover. Pero ako kasi naniniwala ako, bro, sa karma talaga.
Oh,
Yes.
Nangyari sa akin
Totoo
yan.
Totoo
Yes.
yan.
Nung
Totoo
nangyari
Totoo
sa akin
yan.
yan, bro, mas iba yung blessings talaga ni Lord.
Ah,
Yes.
yeah, exactly right.
Amen.
Ibang negosyo, mayroong ibang ganito.
Amen.
Nagugulat ka na, God is providing something
Yes.
that you don't really ask anymore.
Yes.
Binabalik niya sa'yo.
Amen. Amen.
Yeah.
That's a great way to start our morning. It's the word of God.
Yeah.
It's very true. Kasi kind of like yung homily kahapon. Let me just bring this in. Sabi ni God is, when you're gonna give something, give it all na.
Yeah.
When you can. Kunyari, meron kang 100 na extra. Kahit yung 50 doon or 60 doon, kasi alam mo naman, extra mo naman siya.
Yeah.
God will return it to you 10 times fold.
Totoo yan.
Yes.
That's very true.
And kaya ako lang tinanong kay Boss Dane yung tungkol dun sa pag-hire ulit ng mga employees. Kasi minsan talaga nakaka-traumatize.
Oh, trauma talaga.
Oo. Kasi hindi mo alam eh. But you always have to... Sino ba tayo para hindi mag-forgive?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, makes perfect sense. Pero damn, man. So far, ilan na pong employees?
Ang empleyado dito sa Flip is around, kasamang media natin, nasa 16, 18.
Yes.
Sa resto.
Resto.
natin, we have about 40 plus.
Yes. And congrats on that new venture.
Thank you
Yes,
so
yes, yes.
much.
Congratulations.
See, ito, since na-bring up mo, Boss Dane, from shoes to restaurant, what made you hop on that?
Paano ko nag-transition?
Yes.
Actually, before pandemic, negosyante na talaga ako na meron ako restaurant sa Makati.
Oh.
So, forte ko na talaga siya.
Okay.
When it comes
Okay.
to entertainment, food and beverages, yan talaga
Yes.
yung business ko.
Yes.
Before pandemic, before ako nagsapatos.
Oh, okay.
So, just so happened na pumasok ako sa Mavs.
Yes.
Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. So, I had to rebuild again myself.
Mhm.
Naipon naman ako doon dahil wala akong binabayaran doon kasi
Mhm.
sinagot talaga lahat ni coach. So, ipon ako, build ako ng story, papayat ako, paganda ako ng katawan, itsura, ganyan.
Yes. Yes.
Tapos sinama ko yung tao sa journey ko sa pagpapapayat. Tapos pinansaid ko agad sa parang, gusto ko magbenta ng sapatos. Pero alam ko na yan, mindset ko na yun na in the next few years or months, magtatayo ako ng business.
Wow.
So, sasama ko lang sila sa journey ko.
Yes.
Say din, pumayat, ganyan. Ay,
Yeah.
sapatos, supportahan ko to kasi
Yes.
gano'n yung ginawa ko. Parang
No.
Nice.
Yan.
Nice. He didn't take the shortcut too.
Yeah, wala.
Oh, di ba?
Wala talaga eh. Oo.
Yeah.
No, maraming
So, kasi for sure, kasi like ako, Boss Dane, watching you on social media, from shoes, then I saw yun nga sa restaurant. Sabi ko, wait, ang layo ah. Pero since now we spoke to you, you
Yung
have the
pala.
experience pala.
Yeah.
So I think that's one of the things with new business entrepreneurs na papasok sa industry. You gotta know what you...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huwag ka lang papasok basta panood mo sa TikTok.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi mo
Yeah.
inaaral. So,
Yes.
you have to do your logistics also
Yes.
before ka pumasok into any kind of business.
Yes.
You have to do your logistics also.
Yeah.
Due diligence yan, kumbaga. Di ba?
Yes.
Aralin mo. Huwag ka nang pasok ng pasok.
Tama. You guys heard it from him.
Aralin nyo.
Kasi,
Aralin nyo. Di ba?
kasi for me, in order to listen to somebody, inaaral mo din yung pakikinggan mo.
Yes.
Kasi that's why I'm asking him these questions now. We don't know the viewers na baka may mga balak silang magnegosyo. For your standpoint, you were able to establish yourself already.
Yes.
You are at this certain point na, wow, that's something big. I mean, ilan na yung stores mo and then your presence in social media is huge.
Very
also.
active.
Ikaw na nga yung sinabi ko dun sa mga pamangkin na misis ko, ay, si Dane yung ano. Ay, sa
Coin
sapatos!
flip.
Yeah! Yeah, that was a good one
Yeah,
too.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, coin flip.
Yeah. So how do you think is the difference now with the business now and the business then?
The
Mas
difference
madali ba o
between-
mas mahirap
Mas
para sa'yo?
mahirap.
Yeah?
Oo, mas
Why?
stressful. Pare, the more stocks that you have, the more people that you have, mas stress talaga. But
Go ahead.
I embrace that eh.
Yeah.
Kasi pag walang stress, walang problem, walang
Growth.
parang boring ng business.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
So every single day, that's one of the reason why I wake up also, why I have the energy to, okay, what's new? Anong gagawin ko ngayong araw? Ako, yung creativity and development sa business, everyday yan.
Yes.
So, ngayon, nandito rin ako sa season that I'm seeking for advices from my mentors.
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi syempre, kailangan upscale ng business eh. And for
Yes.
you to do that, di lang pwede yung knowledge mo. Kailangan
Execution.
makakuha ka na sa iba.
Oo.
Yes.
Ulot ka na, ay, ito, ang ganda nito ah. Kunin ko to.
That's right. That's right. And the key term there is he also has mentors.
Yes. Oo, pare.
Yeah, kailangan.
Pwedeng online mentors,
Yes.
physical mentors. Diba?
Yes. Yes.
Very good.
Yeah. And with this, bossing, kamusta naman yung mga business mo so far?
Actually, we're doing really well.
Yes.
Number one talaga ang priority namin when it comes to marketing is social media. So
Yes.
we really have to make an impact when it comes to the storytelling.
Yes.
How we started. I started from someone's room, not my house.
Yes.
And now we have 2 branches of Flip. We have our own website already.
Yes.
Ang ganda naman ng sales namin when it comes to
Yeah.
other platforms like Shopee.
Yeah.
So, ganda naman. No? So,
Yeah.
and then sa restaurant namin, yun din event. Yun naman yung energy ko ngayon mostly 60-40. Yung 60% nasa resto, 40% nasa Flip.
Yes.
So, kasi bago baby pa lang yung restaurant, 6 months pa lang.
Yeah.
Yan pa rin.
Now, ito naman, personal. How do you balance your time now?
Balance my time.
Yes.
I work in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Ngayon, I try in the afternoon to do some physical activities.
Nice.
Workout.
Nice.
Ngayon, meron na rin ako nag-aalaga ng food ko. Maraming salamat sa Diet Meals.
Yay!
Thank you. Tapos sa gabi, it's either I do contents, a little bit of contents, or I spend the time with my family.
Family.
There you go. Kasi when you listen to him sa mga nangyayari sa life niya, it's like, how is your time balance? Di ba? Yun kasi minsan na nakaka-stressful part, lalo na pag may family. Yeah, you're a father, I'm a father also. It's like, man, you have to really split your time and learn how time management.
Yes. And it just so happened that I'm blessed kasi yung partner ko very understanding when it comes to work.
Very, very,
Yun ang
very.
I think number one, pag negosyante tayo, yung partner din natin. So, naiintindihan niya na pag may trabaho, okay, trabaho yan, I'll give you that time.
Yes.
Pag nandito naman siya, pag nandito naman ako sa family, then we try to maximize that. We
Yes.
enjoy every time that we're together.
Yes. It's true. Yun. For every successful businessman, hindi naman lahat, pero the one with a partner, nagiging successful din sila dahil dun sa partner na understanding.
Kaya pag-isipan niyo kung sino.
Yes.
Hello,
Yan,
number
masi.
one yan, pare.
Pipiliin mo yan.
Mga single pa dyan. Yeah.
Sino ko sino yung mga kasama nyo.
Sumipat
Yes.
kilatis ka ng maayos.
Yan, that's the
Yes.
word. Wag lang yung
Yes.
sasaya. Kailangan
Yung kahit di sumabay. Mismo.
tayo sumabay, pare.
Yeah, lalo na sa era ngayon.
Mismo.
Lalo na kayo, you guys have the social media presence now.
Ikaw din.
Hmm.
O, di ba ito? Di ba kayong dalawa kayo?
Yeah.
Man.
Ako paano pa lang ako eh. Pag ano.
You are going there.
Yeah.
Oo, pare.
But before we start, let's
Oh,
introduce
yes.
to the guest our
Oo nga pala. To all the people who doesn't know the app, what is Babs That App?
It's a home service barber booking app where you can book your barber kahit nasan ka man. Pupunta sila sa'yo. Yun ang pili mong barbero or barbershop dun sa Babs app natin. You can download it via Google Play or iOS Store. Katulad ng boss din yan, mga busy.
Yes.
Pwede siya magpabook dito.
Pwede siya
magpagupit.
magpagupit dito.
Yes.
Service talaga.
Yes, sir.
Mm-mm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Service ako.
Yun.
Cover.
So hopefully one day magamit ni boss din yung app
download
natin.
natin.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Makikita ko ba yung itsura nila
Mm-mm.
sa app?
And
Yes.
yung mga quality of works nila.
Pati-
May portfolio sila
yes,
dun, boss.
Pati portfolio.
Yes.
So I just have to register.
Yes.
sir.
Yun na yun. Good to
Yun na yun.
You
Yes.
can pay
Buy a Gcash or pay Maya.
Direct to the app already. too.
direct to the app. So you can't pay the barber
No.
on site.
No.
No. Except
Very
the
good,
tip.
very good.
sa kanila
Oh,
talaga
tip
yung
ka
tip.
na lang.
Yun na lang. Ang cash nila.
Nice.
So yeah. So let's get started with the 1,000 questions that we have.
Oh.
1,000 questions.
Okay.
All right.
Number 2.
Okay. Kuya Jane, taga saan ka? Saan ka lumaki?
Lumaki ako sa Malabon City.
Ooh.
Pero young teenage years ko siguro sa Las Piñas.
Mm-mm.
Tapos ngayon dito na sa QC.
Nice.
Taga-saan?
Taga saan ka? Shout out sa Tiny Montana, man.
Yeah.
Itong how far are you from your shop now?
Siya 45 minutes.
Mm.
Yeah. Commonwealth kasi pare matraffic.
Oh,
Yeah.
mismo. Sobrang traffic dyan
Yan ang
pala.
pinakamalaking parking lot eh.
Yeah.
Sa QC.
Now that you're aging,
Mhm.
na nandito ka na sa Q, sa Manila,
Yep.
would you prefer to move somewhere else no?
Oh man, if I have the money in the world,
Yeah.
tira ako sa probinsya talaga. Pero yung
Yes.
Antipolo talaga.
Yeah.
Always overlooking.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But I love it here because
The fire is here, no?
Let's just be honest, the money is here.
The
True.
work is here.
Nandito yung
Very
pera
right.
eh.
True.
Pero kung gusto mo talaga ng peaceful environment, tayo ka.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's true. And that's what we're getting. So we should appreciate that, di ba?
Oo,
Kasi tayo province.
Tayo, man.
Yeah, sarap nung lalabas ka nung parang wala ka talaga, super
May
clear.
manok.
Yes.
may
Green.
Yes.
Greens.
coffee ka lang.
Greens.
Yes.
Yes.
And kahit nasa probinsya ka, pwede ka magpagupit sa Babsap.
Talaga kahit saan.
Yes.
Nationwide.
Yes. Meron tayo all the way down in Kiamba,
Jensen.
Sarangani. Meron na tayo sa, ano yung, Batanes. May barber na nag-register doon. Pero ewan ko lang kung may magpapabook.
That's crazy. And
Yeah.
gaano katagal na yung app?
5 months.
5
5
months.
months.
Yes.
Five
Baka
months.
cover niya na pati yung mga South Pacific Ocean.
Ay, malay mo. Malay
We're
mo.
going worldwide.
Worldwide
Bakit hindi?
talaga ang goal, no?
That's
Yeah,
the
that's,
goal. That's the goal.
hopefully in the future, nakagad lahat.
Yeah.
All we have to do is keep moving forward, keep
Yes.
pushing, keep pushing, keep
Yeah.
pushing. Ayun yung blessing natin. Wala yung number ko eh. Ito na lang. Ilan taon ka na nagsimula ka sa business na lang? Business.
Sa business
Yung talagang feel mo, ito na yung hustle.
Negosyante
mo.
na ako.
Oo.
Negosyante na ako. So, mga 28 years old.
Oh, okay.
Medyo late bloomer na.
Previously,
Previously, before pandemic, kasi yung dalawang resto ko sa Makati nung parang magto 2 years pa lang, tapos
Hmm.
pandemic eh.
ah,
So, bad timing.
yeah. How were you able to, alam ko marami diyang, lahat tayo naapektuhan during
Oo,
Oo
pandemic.
naman.
How did you recover yourself from that loss?
Oh man, I don't know. Parang,
God.
ano to, pare, si Lord na to eh.
Oo.
Yes.
Kasi before
Oo.
pandemic, okay naman lahat.
Yes.
Bumibili pa nga ako sa kaibigan ko, si Shugi Manila, kay Boss Ron.
Yes.
Uy.
Tapos bila
Yeah.
naging pandemic, pare, sarado. Hindi lang sana okay na yung lugi ka eh.
Yeah.
Yung nabaon ka pa sa utang.
Yes.
Dahil syempre yung renta,
Oo.
Mhm.
Tuloy-tuloy.
sa mga tropa, business partner.
Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
Yun yung pinakamasakit na parang kailangan mong habulin. So I'm thankful. I don't know how I did it, but God just made a way na parang binigyan. Buti may opportunity talaga
Mismo.
na nagbukas ulit. Kasi
Yeah.
kung hindi, pare, I'm still in this baka worse pa.
Yeah.
Mm.
If you think about it, no, may mga pinagdaanan tayo sa buhay na, how did we surpass that?
Ay,
No,
ako rin.
madami rin.
Yeah. And then you just come to a sense na, man,
Thank
God is there.
Yeah.
God is alive.
God is there, and
Yes.
at the same time, faith without works is nothing. So,
Yes.
pag
Very
wala kang
true.
trabaho, hindi pwedeng puro faith lang.
Yes.
No.
Kailangan, hustle ka talaga.
Yes. Yes. Amen. Go ahead, Pick.
Paano ka nagsimula sa iyong career as...
Sa shoes.
Yeah, in terms of shoes naman tayo.
Oo.
Sa shoe business.
Yes.
Simula ako 20, if I'm not mistaken, I think around mid ng pandemic sa likod, ng first wave, siguro mga 2021.
Wow.
Oh.
Ganun. Kay-coach Mav pa ako nun. Naki-coach Mav pa
Okay.
ako nun. Sa bahay niya.
Mm.
So were you really a shoe lover?
Oo.
Then na.
Ever since.
Yes.
Oh.
High school student pa lang ako. Naka-Jordan ako.
Yung.
Oh, Supra days pa lang kung naalala.
Supra.
Supra.
Oh,
Yeah.
kung naalala yun. Vans, Converse, Chucks. Diba?
Yeah.
Yan.
Do you still remember yung unang benta mo ng sapatos?
Unang benta ko ng sapatos kasi, parang, I believe I was still in high school. Pag may ayaw ka ng sapatos, alok mo sa kaklase.
Yeah.
Mga ganun. Doon
I see. Yung unang tinubo mo, naalala mo pa?
Unang tinubo ko siguro, maliit lang yun, 200 pesos, 300
Oo.
pesos.
Pero the feeling after, no?
Oh, the feeling, kasi yung ate ko nasa States. So,
Yes.
pag nagpapabili ako, bumibili siya sa mga factory outlet sa Amerika. Mura,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah,
So,
yeah.
papadala dito, suotin ko, picture noon, usap pa ng Friendster. Hindi ko alam.
Friendster.
Friendster ka, picture ka, tapos sabihin ng mga klase, ganda ng sapatos mo, hindi cool ka nun.
Yeah.
Pag ayaw mo na, sawa ka na, may bago ka ng sapatos, padala ni ate, o magkano mo ba gusto bilhin? Eh, wala ka namang kapital eh.
Mm.
Kumita ka na.
Yeah. Yeah.
Legit.
Yeah.
Wow. Ganun lang.
Tapos, ate, padala ka pa dito, ha?
Ang dami kong binenta nun.
Yeah.
Talaga? Puro
Oo,
padala?
Puro padala na. Ginagawa ka talagang pera.
Pero alam ng ate mo na.
Syempre hindi.
Alam mo na.
Ganyan alam niya na. Pero back then, pare.
Di talaga, di talaga.
Nalaman niya yun, di na ako papadala nun.
Oh.
Yeah. But I feel like back then, masakit sa loob ng nagpapadala sa'yo. Yung binibenta mo.
Oo, dati.
Pero ngayon, feeling ko mas nagiging, ewan ko para sa akin, ha? Parang nagiging proud ba sila? Kasi
Yeah.
I have babies, di ba? I have babies. Dati sa panahon dati, pag binenta mo yung gamit ng baby mo, parang masakit sa loob nung nagbigay sa'yo.
Oo.
Ngayon, iba na yung mentality. Oh, hindi mo na magagamit yan. Ibenta mo na lang. Yeah. So, at least nag-aano na rin yung mindset. Yeah.
Siguro inisip natin ko, buti binenta mo yung mga gamit ko na pinapadala dati. Okay, marami ka na binibenta.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ay,
Doon pala nagsimula, no?
Doon nagsimula, akala ko wala lang yun eh, di ba? Yun
Yeah.
pala yung rason.
Yeah.
Nabanggit mo kanina yung in terms of the late bloomer. What can you say about the people na iniisip nila minsan na parang nahuhuli na sila sa pagnenegosyo?
Yes, there you go.
That's a beautiful question. I believe there's always a time
Because
for
there's a
everyone.
lot.
There's always a time for everyone. You have to just wait for your season.
Yes.
Kasi, ako kasi, it wasn't, hindi ko pinilit eh.
Mm-hmm.
It just so happened eh.
Mm-hmm.
But I was thinking about it. Siguro, early 20s ko, iniisip ko na, paano ko kikita ng pera.
Yes.
Siyempre, gusto ko maging hustler din talaga.
Yeah.
Gusto ko maging negosyante. Pero, nung hindi ko na siya pinipilit, bigla na lang siya
Dumating.
Yeah.
Diba?
That's true.
Pero syempre, kailangan may inaaral ka.
Yes.
Hanggat kunyari, wala ka pa negosyo ngayon, aralin mo yung trip mo.
Yes.
Nood ka ng mga successful na tao.
Mhm.
Tingnan mo yung mga... Ako, pinapanood ko talaga, pare, yung talagang may mapupulot ako eh.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Ako, yun din ang nilalabas ko sa contents ko. I mean, the negotiations here are just so simple and raw. But
Yeah.
if you look into it, negosyo talaga siya na parang, tinuturuan ka namin paano ka mambarat, paano siya ibibenta.
Yes.
Kasi binabash kami. Tubong lugaw kayo. Totoo naman yun.
This is
Kaya
business.
magbayad ng 100,000 plus a month.
There you go.
Diba?
I was gonna ask you that.
Diba?
Yes, I was gonna ask him that. Kasi for people to make those comments, you guys don't know the
Hindi nila alam.
backstory
Backbone.
of the store.
Yeah.
Yeah, alam niyo ba magkano renta? Alam niyo ba employees? You guys multiply that in a month. Malaki.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? And it's the client's choice to purchase anyways.
True.
Yes.
Yeah, so kung bumili yung tao, magalit.
Bumili siya eh.
That's
Oo.
his choice also.
Gustuhan niya eh.
Yeah, that's the name of the business.
And yun din yung na-accept ko na. Kumbaga, depende kasi yan sa pasok ng viewers
Yes.
sa'yo eh.
Yes.
Para kumbaga sa concert, pag pumasok ka sa concert, na late ka, kaligitnaan, narinig mo yung pangit na kanta, yun yung i-judge mo.
Yes.
Hindi mo
Good one.
nakita yung intro.
Yes,
Good one.
sir.
Good one.
You know what I mean?
Correct.
Pero kung fan ka talaga, alamin mo, uy, kamusta yung intro niya?
Yes. Yes.
Yun yan. So, ako, I don't hate them. It's
Mhm.
just that, ano oras sila pumasok?
Yes.
Kailan sila pumasok?
There you
Yun
go.
yung nakita nila.
Yes. Gems.
Dane Gross with Droppin' Gems.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Eto, saan mo naman nakikita tong, since you have multiple ventures now, sino yung gusto mong business na dumikit talaga sa pangalan mo at the end of the day?
Dumikit sa pangalan ko.
Like, you wanna be remembered by it. This is your legacy. Yung shoes ba, yung restaurant, or something else that you still want to pursue later?
Siguro as I grew
Mm-hmm.
as a businessman,
Yes.
more on, siguro shoe related pa rin siya, pero more on product movement.
Mm-hmm.
Like, ngayon, I'm really trying to learn or inaaral ko talaga yung cleaning.
Oh,
Like shoe wipes, cleaning kit, glue. Yun.
I went into that business.
Yes.
This is my
Yung-
second month, no?
Talaga?
Oh.
Shoe clean. Nagtayo ako nung shoe cleaning business.
Physical? May physical
Yes.
store ka?
Kaso, wala pa kasi sa Laguna.
Okay.
Alam mo nangyari, kwento ko sa'yo, boss din. Sige. Kwento ko sa'yo. Kwento ko sa'yo. Ako kasi, syempre as a father, hindi na tayo basta pwedeng, yung gusto mo, yung wants mo, hindi na pwedeng basang ganun. So, during my younger years, I was really addicted to shoes. Me and my brother. Pero nung nagkakaroon ko ng responsibilities, kailangan unahin mo yung kids mo. So one day, I've been looking at this running shoes for a long time. 1 year. Sabi ko masyadong mahal. Punta ako outlet one day. Nakita ko siya. Palagi ko siyang tinitignan eh. One day, nakita ko siya sa outlet. Half off. Sabi ko, bilhin ko na kaya. Sabi ko sa sarili. Tapos kausap ko yung sarili ko. 1 year mo na tinitignan, half off, ayaw mo pa rin. Binili ko yung sapatos.
Ultra Boost ba to?
Hindi. Yung Nike,
Flyknit?
yung Invisible Run.
Okay.
Yes. Yung para itakbo mo lang yung ganitong price, yung parang mapuputikan yan, masisira. So sabi ko, hindi, bilhin ko na. Binili ko na siya. Sinuot ko agad.
Okay.
On the way home, every time nandun ako sa lane namin sa Laguna, tinitignan ko yung mga business, puro food, hindi na mag-work eh. Tinignan ko yung sapatos ko. Sabi ko, oh my God, shoe cleaning.
Yeah.
Ang wala dito. Then after that, I decided. Meron kasi pa kaming pwesto sa harapan ng store
Okay.
na pwede ko pang na business. So, inopen ko siya right away.
Kamusta naman?
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
I told you.
It's really good.
I told you.
Alam mo paano ko napansin?
Mhm.
This is connected to yours.
Yeah.
People really do invest hard-earned money for the shoes that they really want.
Mm-hmm.
So later on, hindi ka naman katulad sa may mga anak na, hindi naman sila makakabili ng pili every time eh.
Yeah.
So ngayon talagang tinitake care nila yung mga sapatos nila. And then at the same time, yung mga bumibili ng sapatos na may value din talaga, now they know that they can resell it.
Yeah.
There's outlets like you guys.
Mm-mm.
So talagang inaalagaan na yung sapatos. And then with the Reglue, medyo madugo. I can perfectly say that. We made a couple of mistakes and ni-refund ko yung pera. Meron pa akong binayaran ng sapatos.
Talaga.
Yeah, kasi hindi niya nagustuhan ni client. Nung
Oh, yes,
inupakan
yes,
niya ako ng may sentimental value sa akin yan, patay na. Magkano po yung value ng sapatos? 15K.
Binera mo.
Binayaran, hindi, yung ano lang.
Yung ano lang.
Magkano po yung gusto niyo po? Kahit kalahati. Kaso masakit doon,
Sakit yun.
kinuha niya pa rin yung sapatos.
Iwan mo na.
Kinuha niya.
Sabi ko, akin na lang.
Ang dugo mo naman.
Pero yun eh. I think with the shoe cleaning, dun sa Reglue medyo madugo. Cleaning is okay. Pero sa Reglue madugo kasi very akala kasi ng tao, lalabas siya as almost like brand new.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is, syempre hindi naman ganun.
Yeah.
Factory talaga, di ba?
Yes. So that's part of the learnings na pinasok dito. Pero we're able to open another
Second
branch.
branch.
Wow, that's Ano
Mm.
pangalan nung
Impeccable shoes.
impeccable shoe?
Kasi yung barbershop ko originally, dito nagsimula yung buong idea is Impeccable Cuts.
Oo.
Oh.
So I tied up the name for later. Yes.
Crazy, man.
Pero I think with you, man, sabog agad yan.
Ako gusto ko talaga, products na.
Products.
Which is
Hindi
a
mo
good
na,
idea. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Benta mo lang sa parang dami yung mayaman sa
Oo.
online eh.
Oo.
So we provide them quality and premium products.
Yes.
Tapos affordable.
Yes. And I saw what you did with the shoe cleaner.
Oh,
Yung ngayon meron na siyang smart. Yes. I love that.
ano na siya, two-faced na siya. May
Yes.
pang stain sa kami general cleaner.
Yes.
Pero dinedevelop pa namin siya.
Yes. And then you never know, baka mamaya.
Partnership, why
Kailangan
not?
mo na ng products.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead, P.
Impeccable.
Alright, sa tingin mo, paano mo na-impluensya ng personal experience mo ang career mo?
Paano ko na-influence?
Paano na-influence? Yes.
Na-influence ang personal experience ko sa career ko?
Yes.
Mm.
Well, yun yung kagandahan kasi ang dami kong personal experience talaga eh.
Yes.
Good and bad, mistakes, a milestone.
Mm-hmm.
So, sa career, kasi I could say that I'm just starting eh. Sa career ko eh, wala pa talaga eh. I mean, masasabi ko na masasabi ko na okay na ako pag meron na talaga akong freedom sa time ko.
Yeah.
Na talagang hawak ko talaga siya.
Yeah.
100%.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi man 100%, pero majority.
Yes.
So, ako, I'm starting, I'm a young eh, no?
Yeah.
30 plus na ako eh. So, I still consider myself as a young entrepreneur.
Oh,
so,
yes.
I'm just starting and I'm learning a lot every single day. So,
Mhm.
yeah. With personal experience ko, ang dami. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think yung pinaka-value na makukuha mo dun sa sinabi niya, a very humble response was, I'm just starting.
Yes.
Yeah. Kasi pag naramdaman mo na sa sarili mo na, no, I made it. Wala nang growth eh.
Amen.
Mismo ka.
So take that note from a Dane Grossbit to accomplishing multiple business that they have. He said he's just starting.
Saka what I also do, bro, yung circle na meron ako ngayon. Ako yung kulelat.
Ah.
And I love that.
Yes.
I enjoy that so much.
Yes.
Gusto ko yung parang nakikita ko yung mga kasama. Grabe yung kita nito. Uy, grabe yung
Yes.
Okay. Parang ako. Na-inspire ako, bro. Hindi ako naiingit, ha.
Yes.
Mismo.
Wrong yun. Kasi pag naiingit ka, mag-iiba yung
Mali ka
motive
na
mo.
ron. Oo.
Na-inspire ako
Yes.
to the point na parang, shit, kailangan ko mas galingan. Kailangan ko mas maraming ipasok dito sa kokote ko.
Yes.
More actions, more executions.
Yes.
Ganun talaga, bro.
Yeah. Ganda no? Ganda nun. Minsan talaga yung sarili mo, doon mo talaga makikita eh. Pag hindi ikaw yung king dun sa chess.
Pangit kasi pag ikaw lagi, parang galing mo, boss.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yes.
Parang wala ka, parang receive ka lang ng receive.
Yes.
Parang mas tiring pa nga minsan yung ganun eh.
Oo, yung parang lagi ka na lang pinipraise, lagi ka na lang kino-compliment.
Yes.
Which is also good kasi you have to learn how to receive compliments
Yes.
also.
Yeah.
But
Kasi
sometimes,
you're doing something good.
yeah.
Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
But don't let that shit get you blinded,
yes.
you know?
Pero pag pumasok na yun dito na, ay,
Exactly.
ako na yung coin flip ng Pilipinas.
Yes, wrong.
That's the end of the story.
That's right. That's
Doon
right.
matatapos, doon masisira.
Again, dropping gems.
Wow.
Take that.
Mismo.
Number 9.
Uy.
Ano ang nag-motivate?
Oo nga, number 8.
Number 8. Kasi pala, ikaw.
Alright, biggest challenge na kinarap mo sa career mo and paano mo na-overcome, Boss Dane?
Biggest challenge sa career ko, siguro ma-share ko sa inyo nung nasa congressional pa yung isang store ko.
Yes.
Pasok kami ng magnanakaw.
Oh, I think I saw the
Wow.
video of this. Yeah.
So nilabas ko yun sa social media. Ang losses namin doon is more than $500,000. Gadgets, watch, money. So,
Damn.
buti na lang, we're very blessed kasi walang nakumang sapatos. Hininda ako sa amin, siguro ayun niya na magbitbit ng madami.
Oh.
Kinuha niya na lang.
Yung kaya na lang.
Oo, yung mailalagay niya sa bag lang talaga. So,
Yeah.
yun, medyo devastated ako no kasi nasa Pampanga kami noon ng moms.
Yes.
Business ko
Oo.
nasa QC.
Yes.
So, while going from Pampanga papunta sa tawag dito, sa business ko,
Yes.
pray talaga ako. Sabi ko, Lord, paano to? Start over na naman ako.
Yeah.
May laking pera na nandun.
Yeah.
Oo.
Paano ubos ba ako? Ganun, ganyan. Kasi wala nag-update sa akin. Eh. Sabi ko, huwag niyo muna update. Puntahan muna ako dyan.
Oh, so you're driving.
Ayoko baka mamaya ibangga ko yung kotse. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Huwag niyo muna update. Sabi ko, sige, papunta na ako dyan. Pagdating ko doon, bro, may mga polis. Nakita ko, wasak yung, wasak yung main entrance ko. Gulo ng store. Kita mo, yung mga gamit, wasak-wasak. Boss, mga relos lang, pera lang sa laptop.
Yeah.
Sapatos, kahit isa, meron. Wala, boss. Lord.
Yeah.
Magkano? Mga 600 plus. Okay na yan. Sabi ko. Okay, later tayo sa police. Later tayo, whatever. Kasi nahuli namin.
Oh, is there, ano yun,
Wow.
inside job ba siya?
No. Isang one-man na lang.
One-man job?
One-man job lang yung pumasok.
Damn.
Inaaral niya talaga kami. Doon ako nag-decide na ilipat yung business kasi ang hirap din sa building na yon dahil wala kaming security guard na rumuronda.
Yes.
Oo.
So sabi ko, okay. Medyo mainit na mainit na sa mata yung negosyo ko kasi nasa social media nga.
Yeah.
Lipat ko somewhere prime. That's why we decided to transfer.
Very good.
Wow.
Dito pare, hirap.
Yeah. Yeah, looks like.
Pinasok mo to, bro.
Ewan ko na lang.
Wala, kung makalabas ka buhay, ilang bangko nandyan.
Yeah.
Ilan security guard na meron dito. Meron
Yeah.
din kaming sariling security guard. So, yun.
Man, and to come think of it, dude, hindi nyo pa alam gaano kahirap minsan kitain ng 500 sa
Grabe
lupo sa isang
naman.
business.
Oo.
And for you guys to just take advantage of that easy way. Pero
One
karma,
time,
like
big
what we said
time.
earlier, karma's
Exactly.
very fast.
And then speaking of blessings after that,
Bang.
bro, grabe. Labas kami show wipes, we sold 200,000 pieces in
Ooh.
Wow.
yung mga
Congrats.
ganang klaseng di mo in-expect talaga.
Yeah. Yeah. Minsan talaga may ways lang si God na ano eh. Kala mo, may larger door pa pala siyang ino-open sa'yo. Iwanan mo na yan, anak. Meron
Yeah.
akong bigger blessings for you.
Always been like that.
Yeah. Game. Number 9 na talaga to.
Anay na talaga yan.
1,000 to guys.
Anong nagmo-motivate sa'yo palagi na ipagpatuloy lahat ng ginagawa mo, Boss Dane, lalo na sa challenging time?
Nagmo-motivate sa akin, siguro, number 1, family.
Mhm.
Number 2, my dream.
Yes.
Number 3, my people.
Amen.
The people under my organization.
Yes.
Kasi, syempre, pag wala akong negosyo, wala rin
Wala
silang
silang-
trabaho.
Oo,
Yes.
totoo.
So, iba na kasi pag, syempre, naging negosyante. Pag, meron na kasi talagang, sa akin, may term sa akin na pag negosyante ka na talaga, ang iniisip mo din talaga yung mga tao mo.
Yes. That's so
You're
true.
doing the business. Meron ng percentage doon na ginagawa mo siya dahil gusto mong tulungan yung mga tao.
Oh, yes.
Yes. That's true.
Hindi na lang sa personal
Yes.
interest mo.
Yun daw ang pinaka-best.
Yeah.
Is once you start thinking about your team members, your employees that's with you, iniisip mo na yung pwedeng mangyari na sa kanila.
Yes.
Yeah. Blessing daw yun pag ganun na yung mentality. Yeah. Good one.
So that's where we are right now.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, can you share a particular situation kung saan ramdaman mo ang isang malakas na koneksyon sa iyong mga kliyente? And syempre sa mga manonood mo ngayon sa social
Yes.
media.
Malakas na connection.
Yeah.
Yes.
Siguro yung peak ng mga vlogs namin.
Yeah.
Lalong-lalo na nung era nung sunod-sunod yun, pare. Gawa kami ng content na prank.
Yeah.
Rinang ko si Carlo na almost 10 million views.
Mm.
Tapos Enrique Hill, Billy Crawford,
Nice.
dire-diretso Dog Kramer,
Yeah.
PBA Moto Club. Ang dami pa.
Yeah.
Viva Max. Series namin.
Yeah.
Lakas talaga.
Yeah.
Bro, as in,
All time. Hindi na mag-afterward eh. Sound effect talaga.
hindi ko na-expect na ito yung kalakasan na.
Yeah.
Kalakasan talaga.
Ah.
Pero syempre, 'di ba, alam naman natin as content creator, meron lang certain blessed ka na lang if you run your
Yes.
contents for years.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Pero some people will get sawa. Meron
Yes.
naman talaga magsasawa sila, hanap sila ng
Bago.
bago papanoorin.
Yes.
So, nung peak talaga namin, bro, grabe talaga yung suporta ng tao. They go to the shop or
Just
they
to see.
order online just to experience and to dito pala nangyari yung
Coin flip.
dito
Yes.
pala nangyari yung dito
Yeah.
pala pumunta si dito pala yung papicture.
Yes. Yes.
Tapos nagtatransition siya into sales. Yun ang pinaka-importante.
Yes, of
Hindi
course.
pwedeng picture lang. Kailangan benta.
Benta.
Diba?
Yes.
So yung mga pumupunta talaga sa amin, I consider them as medium and high ticket.
Yes.
May pambili talaga.
Yes. Yes.
No, but at the same time, I love the people na ngayon nagkakaroon sila ng motivation na iipon ako ng pera para makapunta ako diyan, ma-experience ko.
Yes.
Yun.
Ito, at least tayo na-experience na natin. Podcast pa.
Yeah.
Dati pinapanood ko lang talaga yung series nila. Wait, totoo yun.
Malupit
Pinapanood ko
yan.
lang.
Hello, ito
Pinapanood ko lang yun.
Si boss, maano din na. Hello.
Ito naman, outside from the success that you have, what else do you want to achieve?
Madami.
Yeah.
Ngayon, ang goal ko is more on real estate investment.
Nice.
Sabi mo.
So, I think I mentioned this before the podcast.
Yes.
You know, having a business like this, when
Yes.
it requires a lot of manpower,
Mm-hmm.
takes a lot of time, stress,
Yes.
responsibility. So, madami yan, pare. Pero pag investor ka,
Yes. Different story.
you wait.
Yes.
Hintay ka na lang.
You wait, yeah.
Yeah.
Hintay mo lang kumita
Totoo,
yung pera mo. Real
Yes.
estate. Hintay ka lang din.
Yes.
So, yun yung, doon na tayo papunta ngayon.
Yes.
So, ask me, Dane, magtatayo ka pa ba ng maraming shop na ganito? Maybe,
Mm-hmm.
maybe not,
Mm-hmm.
or maybe abangan nyo.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng paso.
Hintayin nyo before matapos ng taon. Yan.
Yes.
Kaya tayong malaking pasabog.
Bang! Yan yung maganda di ba? Once you kaya ito yung sinasabi nila, there's levels to the game.
Mm.
It took him a lot of work, a lot of
Yes.
persistence, a lot of consistency for him to be able to say now yung susunod na plan niya is real estate. Kasi for you to say that, you gotta be able to support that.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Pero it all takes consistency, hard work to get there.
And blood.
Kasi di ba, with real estate, bro, real estate is a good business.
Totoo naman.
And lalo na tong country natin is a
Lalo
developing
na kung
country.
talagang, gusto ko talaga maging liquid ako.
Yes.
For me to invest.
Yes.
Kasi
Oh,
dapat,
yes.
you can buy the property 10 times
Yes.
before you can,
Yes.
para makapaghintay ka. It's gonna take some years.
Yeah. Yeah.
Minimum is 5 to 10 years. So,
Mm. Land banking.
tagal nun, pare, di ba?
Oo.
Land
Oo.
banking.
Pero that's a good
It's a good investment.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Passive.
Yes.
Anong age nung nagkaroon ka ng pamilya, kuya?
Ah,
Nauna ba yun bago ka maging negosyante?
hindi, negosyo muna.
Okay.
Actually, backstory, mabilis lang to. Yung partner ko ngayon, ex ko siya.
Okay.
Mm.
Nag-ex ko siya, 5 years kami. Bata pa ako, banda pa ako noon.
Mm-hmm.
Wali-wali pa, baliw-baliw pa, tugtog-tugtog, kahit walang pera, ganyan.
Yeah.
Siyempre, nagsawa sa ganong sistema.
Yeah.
Nagkaroon ng misunderstanding. Then, business tayo. 2 years ago, we reconnected. I think more than 1 year pa lang kami
Oh.
together.
Oh.
Ang bilis ng mas ngayon ang bilis kasi utak namin same frequency,
Yes.
same level of awareness.
Oo.
Yes.
Namin ganito. Gawa talaga kami ng structure na parang ito yung plano natin. Ipon tayo, pakasal tayo,
Yeah.
tayo ng property natin together.
Mm.
Ganun na yung
Structure.
Wow.
There you
So, mga more than a year pa lang.
Nice. Pero meron na silang history dati. Kaya alam na nila yung downs and
Yes.
ups nila.
Exactly. For 5
Yeah.
years? Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
Pare,
Yeah.
Wow.
Bless. Yung iba, hindi nagkakaroon ng second chance. John Lloyd.
Wait, sino naghanap? Ikaw o siya?
Ako.
Ah.
Talaga. Actually, siya ang first girlfriend ko. Nagkaroon ako ng second. Siya ulit ngayon.
Oh.
Pero marami tayong mga
Yeah.
Of course.
Etos sa labas. Diba? Alam ng mga tao yan kasi nagbablog pa ako dati. Yung mga dinidate ko eh.
Yeah.
Ay,
Oh,
nako
yeah.
din. Alam din mo siya, no? G-side boy yan. Alam mo, nakakatawa, nung single ako, wala ko ibang tropa eh. Ang tropa ko, yung mga empleyado, ang kasama ko sila mag-party. Di ba, Migs?
Yeah.
Oh, alam ni
G-side,
Migs kung-
G-side.
Diba? Naging gago din talaga si Dane. Oo, babaero din talaga.
Dumadating naman, kasi kailangan mo pagdaanan yun para
Nadaanan
pagdating
mo
sa
yan.
point na ganito, ano ka na, stable yung isip mo. Nadaanan ko na yan, naranasan ko na yan, wala akong makukuha maganda.
Hindi ka na may istorbo sa focus mo.
Yes. Yes.
Alright, let's head to the barber question.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi, may
Is that-
13 pa ako.
Sorry.
Ano number ka?
12 na, barber question.
Ba't may 13 ako?
Baka barber question yan.
Oo nga, barber question nga. Oo nga. Sabi ko na, nalito tayo dun sa topic eh.
Alright, bro. If you can still remember magkano ang una mong naging gupit, and can you still remember a childhood barber and his name? At bakit hanggang ngayon ayaw mo yung gupit na yun?
Una kong gupit?
Oo.
Or worse.
The worst. The worst na out of control mo na. Shit, nagupitan mo na ako.
Oo, syempre,
Bala.
kasama mo daddy mo nun, di ba?
Yeah.
Syempre, eto, pag gusto ko gupit sa anak ko, gano'n. Siguro, magkano ba yung gupit dati? 30 pesos?
35.
Peso?
Yeah.
Bata pa ako nun. Ang ayaw ko na gupit nun. Kasi paborito ng tatay ko yun, pare. Laging kailangan dun kami.
Ano to?
Pag hindi kayo dun,
Yari ka
gupit
sa
mo.
ano?
Pero ayaw ko talaga. Ayaw ko talaga kasi gusto ko ng pahaba ang buhok eh. Bawal sa school. Pagupit ka. Saan ba to? Alam ko sa Casimiro to pare, sa Las Piñas eh. Dinadala ko lagi ni Papa doon. Gupit kami nun. Basta pangit talaga. Hindi ko na maalala yung pangalan ng barber. Pero ganun nga, 35 pesos to 50 pesos. Pero pangit talaga yung gupit. Alam mo yung gupit na...
Lataps.
Oo, pare, yung ganun. Yung
Crew cut. Ganun type shit.
Di pa pantay. Ganun.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Talk about before we go to the barber questions. Pinasok na rin ni Boss Dane tong industry.
Oh, yes. Yeah,
Oh, how do you know? Ang galing ko
Shout out.
Shout out.
Pablings.
Pablings.
Pablings is partner natin ngayon. Kasi si Pablings, diba may Pablings?
Yes.
So, galing ah.
Bakit
Don't worry, kami gagawa ng app. Alam mo gagawin alam mo sasabihin ko, ito tuloy. Si Pablings.
Yes.
So yes, meron siya ng mga branch. So we decided to do Pablings Premiere. Executive.
Nice.
Ito yung parang pwede ka mag-meeting, kung
Nice.
businessman ka, kailangan mo magpagupit, ayaw mo sa bahay mo. Punta
Yeah.
ka dito sa barbershop namin. Privacy-wise,
Nice.
meron ka. You can also bring your meeting. Kasi bro, saan ka makita barbershop? May sopa, may TV,
Yeah.
may mga magsiserve sa'yo ng
Yeah.
drinks. So, ganun siya ka-premium.
Nice.
Ang galing ah.
It's almost like a
At dito
Chanamas
lang
lounge.
yun.
Yes, around this area.
Yes.
Secret pa, no?
Actually, tabi ng flip sa kabila.
Oh.
It's
Nice.
180 square meters up and down. So,
Wow.
pagpasok mo, makikita mo counter lang.
Oo.
Tapos room siya.
Oo.
Mm.
Nice. And pag sumama sila sa Babsa, pwede mong book yung ano.
Yo, pwede mo i-book yung mga barbers na.
Yeah. Premiere din ang dadali nila. Dala nila yung sofa, yung couch.
Naka-L3, no?
Takos yun, ha? Oh, man.
Bayad ka malaking shipping fee, ha?
Hey! Eto. Hindi, natanong na natin worst haircut. Ikaw ulit, Pete.
Ito, anong current go-to haircut mo sa ngayon?
Yes.
Anong tawag ba dito?
Crop top.
Crop top.
Yes.
Oo. Ang isa lang ang barber ko talaga.
Yeah.
Who is your barber?
Jervin.
Jervin.
Okay.
Big shout out
Home
to Barber
service.
Jervin.
Home service. Let's get him on the app.
Oh, why not?
Jervin talaga.
Yes.
Nasa Pablings din siya.
Hindi ko pwede sabihin.
Sorry.
Yes.
Ay.
Ah.
Sorry.
Na-meet ko siya sa Novaliches pa lang.
Okay.
Yeah.
Isang
Ah.
maliit na barbershop.
Oh.
Isang maliit na barbershop lang. Pero yun yung ginupitan niya ako.
Ang lupit.
Magaling
Matik.
mag-usap. Presentable.
Diba?
Yes.
Eh, syempre sa barbero, kailangan natin
Yes.
makakausap eh. Alam
Yes.
mo,
Oo,
yun,
naman,
yung
oo, naman.
kwentuhan mo sa umaga. So nakita ko siya. Sabi ko, bro, home service mo ako.
Yeah.
So,
Mm-mm.
pati anak ko, pati
Nice.
lahat sila.
Nice.
Hindi na kay Jerry.
And he's probably super proud that till now, kayo pa rin. But we can get him on the app.
Yeah, of course.
Additional more income for
He's
him.
good. He's good.
Yes. So,
Jervin.
Jervin.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Ito naman, magkano ang pinakamahal na binayad mo sa gupit at nagtip ka ba? Nagtitip ka pa ba? And bakit ka nagtitip or bakit hindi? Specifically for barbers.
Gupit lang sa buhok.
Yes,
lahat ng
pinakamahal.
services.
Yes. Or with other services? Siguro mahirap yan eh.
Ako binabayaran ko I think okay lang naman yun.
Yeah.
1,000.
Woo!
Tapos tip ko 500.
Woo!
So 1,500. Minsan pag bumababa sa amin yan, ginugupitan nun 5 ulo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
Plus 5,000.
Plus 500 of tip.
Dang.
That's only a day.
Masaya talaga ako sa gupit niya, pare.
Yeah.
Oo.
And to put a note on that, you see this sa mga barbers na gustong sumali sa Babzap. There are willing clients that's willing to pay as long as you provide the good
service and good attitude.
And in order for you to find more clients like that, is mag-sign up ka sa Babzap.
Yes.
Yes. You never know. You never know who's gonna book you.
Yeah.
You never know if it's a social media influencer, politician, malaking negosyante. Kasi those people are always on the move.
Yes.
Yeah, they need that convenience. So shout out sa mga barbers. And sa mga barber shops, yung mga shops nyo.
Oo nga.
Yeah. Go ahead, P.
Gaano ka-importante sa'yo at ang nabibigay ng barbero style na gusto mo? Gaano ka-importante sa'yo na nabibigay or satisfaction?
Of course, kailangan 100%. Style, syempre, ang style ng buhok mo depende sa kung anong uso eh.
Yes.
Oo
So,
naman,
pag
lagi.
nagpo-provide ng barbero mo yun, iba yung satisfaction.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's your crown.
So, ako, very important yun.
Yeah.
Kasi kasama na sa bilang lalaki eh. Kung mahilig ka talaga sa barbero, kailangan on point din yung barber mo. Dahil yung barber mo, nag-improve din.
Yes.
Kasabayan ka niya eh.
Yes.
Pwedeng next year, iba na yung gupit ko.
Mm.
Arali mo.
Yeah. Totoo. Tsaka yun daw unang tinitignan is Babs tsaka Flip. Flip-ups.
Flip-ups.
Hindi, totoo dahil. One thing that they first notice is your hair. And then your
the
shoes. Yes.
And then,
The watch.
The
Yes.
watch. Tapos damit na.
Damit na.
Totoo yan.
Yes.
Okay, I'll
Tapos
learn that
titingnan
today.
ko meron kang, may pimple.
Yun na yung mga
Details na.
Yeah, man.
17.
17. Ito, nasagot na ni Boss to eh, pero
Hindi pa, malayo pa tayo. 1,000.
Oh,
1,000.
1,000 pa to.
pero nasagot niya na to eh. Pero Boss, was there ever a time, kasi ang question natin dito, do you usually book appointments in advance or walk-in services yung gusto mo? Pero sabi niya gusto niya home service. So let me rephrase the question. Pag nagpapagupit ka naman sa barbershop, ano yung ayaw mo?
Pag nagpapagupit ako sa barbershop, ayoko, number 1, ayoko ng maingay.
Oh.
Yung taklesa yung, kasi syempre depende sa barbershop yung meron mga other services, syempre may female din.
Yes.
Pero medyo maingay, iba eh.
Yes.
Second, amoy.
Yes.
Yung amoy na, minsan may amoy na, meron akong napasok na isang barbershop na amoy basang damit.
Yeah.
Gets
yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Oo.
Saka yung barbero na walang
Hygiene.
pakialam sa hygiene.
Oh,
Yes.
Yung pag ginugupit ng
Yeah, that's true. Eh, pag nasa Babsap ka, hindi mo na ma-experience yan. Nasa bahay ka lang eh. Ito naman ito mga ito. May booking nyo naman natin. Hindi po scripted.
Magaling lang siya sa marketing.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Alright, brother. Since you told us na nag-home service ka, bakit ka nagpapa-home service and paano mo na-avail ang home service? Haircut.
Bakit ako nag-a-avail ng home service cut?
Yes.
Or na
Hindi.
ulit.
Ito. Since you told us na nakapag-home service ka na, how do you avail them? How do you reach to them?
Sabi ko nga, isa lang yung barbero ko. So, if gusto ko magpagupit tomorrow, sabihan ko siya today. Morning kami lagi.
Yeah.
8 a.m. bago siya
Yeah. Yeah.
sa barbershop niya.
Yeah.
Minsan, it takes him 2 to 3 hours para magupitin din yung lahat ng sa bahay.
That's true.
Gusto ko talaga home service kasi convenient.
Yeah.
Number 1, hawak mo oras mo.
Yeah.
Minsan kasi pag walk-in ka, hindi ka ready to socialize.
Yeah.
Siyempre, lalo na, di ba? Kasabi ka, boss, kamusta yung coin flip mo?
Understood.
So, minsan, gigising ka, gusto mo, gupitan ka lang, konting kwento.
Yeah. That's true. Was there ever a time na hindi siya available for you?
Oo, marami.
Yeah.
Nag-adjust ako. Oo, hinintay ko talaga siya.
That is nice.
Pero meron ako mga services ngayon na gusto ko ear cleaning. Alam mo ba yun?
Oh, yeah.
Gusto ko yun.
Yeah.
Ear cleaning. I like that.
Nakaka-peaceful, relax.
Pare,
Yeah.
mga therapy sa dandruff.
Yes.
Yan. Yun yung time ko para to relax.
Yeah.
Earphones lang.
Yeah. Yan yung isang natin to relax also. Kaya katulad ng sinabi niya, meron talagang time na papunta ka sa barbershop. Parang, yun nga yung rest mo eh. Yung parang, I just wanna relax. Close my eyes while he's giving me a haircut. Yung mga services na yun, ear cleaning. It's good.
And it's good that you build an app like that. Kasi syempre, wala ka namang right to, kunyari, pasok sa barbershop, merong 10 upuan. Di mo naman pwede sabihin, gusto ko tahimik lang.
Yes.
Hindi, if you want privacy, if you want peaceful environment, do it in your house.
Yes. Or it's your office. Yes, you... Oy! Babs
Well, yeah,
Babs app, baby.
Appointment.
Ito, since nandun tayo sa app, would you prefer, Babs?
Yes.
Actually, ito, sa mga viewers natin, wala pa talagang idea si Boss Dave
Oh,
about
wala.
that. This is the first time we really spoke about it.
Yeah.
I gave him a little message before about the app, pero ito yung, ngayon pa lang niya talagang na-gets na.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Yes.
Try natin yung app.
Yes,
Hindi ko pa
sir.
alam kung ano yung magiging ano niya.
Actually, ito, a word of advice para dun sa barber mo. If he signs up on the app, ngayon, yung mga reviews mo, makikita ng other clients. Because it's a star rating app plus with reviews.
Mm.
So, matutulungan mo pa siya kasi nagbi-build na rin siya ng portfolio.
Yeah, that's what
Instead of
okay.
posting si boss na yung ginugupitan ko. You know how difficult it is to market on social media. Hindi naman lahat makakapansin.
Yeah.
Pero with the platform that we have, ito parang centralized na. Itong app na to para sa gupit.
Yeah.
Pag nakita ko tong barbero to, check ko yung profile. Uy, si boss Dave nagpapagupit sa kanya.
Yeah.
So it's really helping him out.
Ah,
also.
Yes,
sige,
correct.
sige.
Yeah. So let's get him.
We'll convince Jervin to join the app.
Let's go with Jervin.
Yeah. Pwede siya mag-charge on how much he wants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1,000. Pwede yun, di ba?
Yes.
Pwede.
And then, boss din, yung travel fee
Sagot
is
ni
separate pa
client.
yun. Sagot pa ni client. So 25 pesos per kilometer.
Yes.
Income pa rin ni barber yun. So panalo si barber kung may sarili
May
siyang
motor.
transportation.
25 pesos per 1 kilometer.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
Magkano lang ang ano ngayon?
Yeah.
Magkano gasolina? Do? Panalo.
Yeah,
ka lang.
panalo na. Pag may motor. Pero yung 25 pesos kasi pasok sa mga ang tawag dito?
Babae.
Oo,
Biyahe.
commute.
Kasi magkano rin ang commute ngayon. So
Mga 10
hopefully,
kilometers, 250 pesos.
250.
Yeah.
Yeah. So pretty good. Pretty good for them. This app was really built for, kasi alam ko naintindihan ko yung income nila
Oo.
ng mga barbers eh. So this app is really built for them and the barbershop owners.
Yeah.
Kasi not every day, with you also, you have your business. Not every day may pumapasok sa pinto.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So that's why when nag-exist na itong mga Shopee, Lazada, para naging pro siya para sa mga business. Kasi instead na maghihintay kang pumasok sa pinto, ngayon pati yung phone mo, hinihintay mo na baka may magpabook sa atin.
Mm.
Yes. So we are another option of source of income for barbershops and barbers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 20. Correct?
Yes.
All right. What do you expect from the barber na mag-home service sa'yo from Babs?
Yes. If ever, hindi
If ever
si
they're
Jervin,
going to book.
diba?
Kung hindi man si Jervin, of course, I want it to be excellent.
Amen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Number 1 yun. And ako siguro pinaka-tip ko lang sa mga barbero is marunong kayo makiramdam sa
That's
client nyo.
That's true.
When the client wants to talk to you, pakiramdaman mo yun. If
Yes.
the client wants to have a quiet time, aralin mo.
Oo.
That's totoo. Totoo yun.
Hindi lang gupit eh. Kasi minsan talaga, yung interaction ang pinaka-importante.
Mm-hmm.
Totoo
Kasi
yan.
gupit, pag kilala mo na talaga siya, matik na yun. Pero yung aaralin mo yung client mo,
Mm-hmm.
yun yung pinaka, oy, parang today hindi,
Wala siya sa mood.
Parang wala masyado sa mood si Boss Dane. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Hindi
Yes.
ganun kasi.
Yeah, it's true. Every day will be different. Kaya nga yung isa pang skills na need ng mga barbers also is kaya niyang kapain yung client niya.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Na okay. Yeah, like what he said
And
earlier.
that's what I like about Jervin.
Yeah.
Pag alam niyang wala ko sa
Correct.
hindi siya nag-open ng conversation. Pero pag
Yeah.
alam niyang yung energy ko iba, ang ganda ng usapan namin.
Yeah,
Sa
sabay.
pupunta sa politics, sa basketball, sa
Yeah.
ganito, sa employer. Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good skill. Actually,
Shout out
first time
kay
na natin,
Jervin.
first time tayo nakarinig sa lahat na na-interview natin is yung kayang kumap.
Oo.
Talo talaga.
Yeah, that's a
Kahit
good
man
one.
kayo may experience kayong ganun, di ba?
Mm.
Yung kukulitin ka ng barbero, pero ayaw mo magpakulit.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
Parang, ayoko sumagot.
Okay, yung parang pagod na pagod ka. There was a time na parang pagod na pagod ako. Gusto ko lang
Mag-relax.
mag-relax, makatulog
Oo.
kahit konti. Diretso pala, diretso. Nahiya naman ako sabihin na, kuya, pwede ba, pahinga lang ako. Siyempre, ayaw mo naman ma-offend. Baka, lang siya. Yeah.
And there are barbers also that medyo nagbabrag talaga.
Yes.
Kinumpitan ko nga si parang,
Yeah.
may ibang client na may impress, pero
May ibang turn off.
Yeah.
Unless they ask.
Yeah.
Of course.
Unless the client asks na parang, sino namang nagupitan?
Yes.
For you to brag it na
Yes.
parang ito nga, tapos sisiraan mo na ba't ng ulit?
Yes.
May ganung barbero, pare. That's a turn off.
Yes, that's
Major
true.
turn off.
Alam mo ang technique dyan.
Hindi na ako babalik doon.
Oo. Alam mo ang technique dyan. Para sa mga barbers na gusto mag-brag ng ganyan. Ilagay nyo na lang yung picture. Doon sa wall.
Oo.
O, lagay nyo na lang. Tapos hintayin mo kung tatanungin ka.
O, lagyan mo na sa app. Nagupitan mo, ano yung ano mo.
Yun na nga.
Yung kagandahan sa app.
Yes. May portfolio ka. Doon mo pakita.
Yes.
At least hindi mo na sasabihin. Alam na nung client mo na, ginupitan na to si ganito, ganun.
Nandun na yun.
Kaya sa mga client ng Babs, basa-basa din. Kasi pag binok mo, masyadong maraming nagupitan, pa nagkwento sa'yo, may ma-turn off ka na. Hindi mo din.
Yes. That's right. We are on the last
22.
22. 21.
Alright. Go muna.
Since yung Babs app natin, boss, din is a star rating system. Pwede mo siyang 1 star, 5 star. What are the reasons for you to give a good rating para dun sa barber? And then, what will be the bad reason na bibigyan mo siya ng low star?
Siguro, bibigyan ko yun, number 1 time.
Yes.
May respeto niya yung oras.
Amen.
Yep.
That's right.
So, pag sinabi mo 11, should be there 10:50 or 10:45.
Yep.
Yes. No, I like the mindset.
Good rating
Yes.
yan.
Yes.
Bad rating,
Mm-hmm.
late ka.
Yes.
Bakit? Bakit ko nasabi yung time?
Yes.
Kasi yung app kasi is providing exclusive service.
Yes.
And it should be excellent.
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi those people na nagpapa-home service are not just, yun yung mga tao na ayaw pumila.
Yes.
Yun yung mga taong ayaw maghintay.
Yes.
Kaya sila nag-avail dun sa app.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
So, we're talking about time.
Yes.
So, yun yung pinaka-value nung
Yes.
oras ng barbero dun sa kliyente.
Yes. And kahit naman sa buhay siguro, you guys, keep on your time. Napakalaking help yan sa progress ng buhay mo when you know how to manage your time.
Yeah.
Yes. Last question.
What other services would you like to see na potentially pwedeng idagdag dito sa app natin in the future outside from haircut and beard and shave?
Yung app ba is just haircut?
As
For
of
now.
now.
For now.
Yung, dati nauso pare yung ganyan ka ng buhok. Anong tawag doon yung
Kulot.
afro ka? Kulot?
Kulot.
Tawag doon?
Man, I forgot the term.
Hindi afro, may tawag. Diba sa anyway, merong ginagamit na parang chemical.
Yeah.
Perm.
Perm.
Di ba? Yung
Ah.
perm. Ano pa ba? Marami pare yung mga services na
Pedicure.
Pedicure, yeah.
Massage.
if ever you're considering that. But I don't know your
We have a couple in line. Pero one of the biggest one that it's actually we are dine-develop na rin within the app is yung pambabae. Na gupit. Gupit, color. So that's why
Bond.
Babs, yung pangalan, is Boca Barber Stylist.
Stylist.
So yun sa babaeng end. Your wife, does she usually go to a salon? She prefers that or
She goes to the salon.
okay?
She's the type of
Yung talaga dun.
babae na gusto niya yung may kikay-kikay talaga.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
And ganun din
Pamper
yata
time.
naka-program sa mga babae. Talagang salon talaga
Salon
dapat.
talaga. Sa kanya, with friends.
Oo.
Yeah, salon with
Sa
friends.
Salon with friends.
Oo.
Yeah.
Tayo, mas gusto natin tayo.
Yeah.
Safe. Oo.
Yeah. And if ever, pag lumabas na yung pambabae, pwede naman rin kayo mag-salon with friends.
Yes.
Mag-book lang kayo ng multiple
Yeah.
stylist doon sa app. Yeah.
Kasi tayo parang come to think of it, pupunta na ba kayo ng barbershop na buong barkada nyo kasama nyo?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Wala. Hindi naman tayo mag-uusap eh.
Merong time na buong barkada, kaya ng kabataan, di ba? Minsan may mga high school students sa akin nagpapagupit sila. Isang grupo sila pupunta. Alam mo, minsan nakakano doon, kukulitin ka pa. Hoy, yung gupit mo, anuhin mo na lang, kalbo-kalbo yung bibiruin ka pa.
Oo.
Siguro kung gano'n sa atin ngayon, man, ako na lang mag-isa. Huwag subaga, no? Gusto ko ng peace ko. Hindi pa ako makapag-decide sa haircut ko kasi may suggestion ka. May suggestion. So, yeah.
Ayun, pare. Ngayon, kasama tropa ba every week, pare.
Yeah.
Bro, pagupit tayo. G.
Yeah.
Parang di pa yata ang nagaya ng pagupit sa tropa eh.
Kasi gusto mo, sariling oras mo lang yun.
That's true.
Mm.
Peaceful
Pero pag
time.
babae, buhok mo. Bagay sa'yo to.
Oh.
Ito kayong hair color na to. Oh.
Daming
man.
choices lagi pag babae.
Yeah.
Daming desisyon.
Yeah. And we are done with our 1,000 questions.
Yun na po tayo mga
Oh,
kapatid.
1,000?
Yun na yun.
Man.
Easy, man.
Thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you,
us
boss. Yes.
time.
Very.
Talaga naman.
Appreciate you.
Boss
Kuya
Dane,
Dane, thank
maraming
you so,
Sa iba
so
ng
much.
binayahin nyo. From
Oh,
Oh, man, wala yun
South.
para sa'yo.
to North.
Yeah.
Para kay Kuya Dane Grospe.
Yeah. Any shout-out?
Shoutouts.
Any,
Well, of course, I want to thank Babs.up.
Yes.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you.
me, boss. Alam ko si Boss JP, very busy yan, pero sobrang, alam mo, I respect people who's consistent and
yeah.
talagang, and nakita ko yung, sabi, ako, bihira talaga ako pumayag pa
Yes.
sa,
Yes.
sa podcast talaga kasi hindi pa build yung story ko eh.
Yeah.
So,
Mm-mm.
I'm still building that right now.
Mhm.
Pero nakita ko yung ano ni Kuya JP na parang consistent talaga, saka
Yeah.
very eager. Sabi ko, I have to say yes to this guy.
Thank you.
Nire-respeto ko yung ano niya,
Thank you.
yung hustle niya and ano.
Yeah.
So, yun. Thank you, shoutout sa inyo. Sa mga nanonood. Also, we're giving kasi lagi may nanghingi sa akin ng sapatos, pare. Lagi yan, pare. Non-stop.
Kami rin, manghingi na rin
Kahit
kayo.
kahit sa platform. But anyway, we created a new Facebook page. It's called Flip Reels. We're giving Adidas Samba to a random follower. So make sure na mag-follow kayo doon ngayon.
Follow.
Natuwa kami pare kasi second video pa lang namin, almost 300,000 views na agad. We have about 2,000 followers pa lang doon. Shoutout sa inyo, maraming salamat. Mamimigay kami siguro hopefully by end of this week.
Hey.
Hey, malapit na. Follow na tayo.
Follow na kayo.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Yan,
Yeah,
Facebook
Flip
page.
Reels.
Yep.
Other businesses?
Other businesses, abangan nyo yung commissary natin, barbershop, and a lot more.
Yes, sir. There you go.
Yep.
JP, baka yan?
Yep. Again, I just want to thank Babs That App also and my brother,
Thank you.
Mr. Babs right here, and Kuya Dane. Thank you so
Super
much.
solid.
And if you want to check me out, just check me on Facebook, Spotify, Apple Music, Instagram. It's just JP Bacalian. That's it. And for if you need landscape services, please let us know. We can actually cater you. Let's go.
Dang, there you go. And, of course, maraming salamat, Boss Dane.
Thank you, bro.
Talaga pinapanood ko lang talaga siya. Sabi ko, buti nga hindi ko malag yung mic ko kanina eh. Sabi ko, hawak ko kanina. Kasi I've been watching your
Thank you, po. Thank
your
you.
content.
I appreciate that.
Solid. And of course, guys, if you guys haven't downloaded Babs app yet,
Oh,
and you need
yes.
that convenience, you can download it via Google Play or iOS Store. And then also para sa mga barbers and barbershop owners na gustong sumali, just search babs.partners.
Partners.
Yun yung app nyo po para makasali kayo dito sa atin sa Babs.
Yes.
And of course, follow their page, JP's page. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yan, no?
sir. Yan, download yung Boss Dane. And then, at the same time, if you guys need shoe cleaning, impeccable shoes, pag nando kayo sa Pila, Laguna.
Yes.
And Victoria Laguna is one of our newest branch.
Ayan.
And then, pag kailangan nyo ng election, malapit na election shirt, meron po tayong tahi and stealth printing. Just message the page. And my page, kakasimula lang nun, Mr. Babs. And maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What an episode.
What an episode.
Super
We'll be
solid.
right back. See you on the next episode, guys. Closing up. Usapang Barbero. Signing out.
Peace. Yeah!
Sana maganda yung outro mo.
Ay,